Congratulations, you just won a brand new car for being first out. Who would have thought being a loser would pay off?
I smelled the weakness from the beginning.
Massive morale boost. If everyone's weak like that, they're gonna be gone in no time.
Time to update the board. 99 remain. Good luck.
Knowing they could win a random prize definitely wore a few people down. And after a couple of hours, things got a little emotional.
This is gonna change my life. Tomorrow I'm gonna take a lot of this and pay my bills. Thank you so much.
I was not expecting that. She's got me about to cry. I can't wait to see how the person that wins the $500,000 at the end of the video reacts.